Hello, and welcome back to Twinkl's How to Draw series. Today, we're going to be learning how to draw a train. We're going to start off by marking out some basic shapes with a pencil, and then using a pen to draw out the final line work, so make sure you have both of these with you. To start our train, we're going to draw out 3 rectangles. The first one is a tall rectangle. This is going to be where the driver sits. Then draw your second rectangle coming out of the side of the first one. The third rectangle needs to be much smaller, just on top of the one you've just drawn. This will be where the steam comes out of. At the base of your train, draw a diagonal line. It's going to follow the bottom of your train all the way to the other end of your drawing. Overlapping the line you've just made, draw some circles in a row. These are going to be your train's wheels. Now we're going to give the train some carriages. Carry the line you made earlier to make it much longer. Once you've done that, draw 2 similar sized rectangles on top of the line. Turn your bottom line into a really long, stretched out rectangle and draw some circles on that, just like we did earlier, as the carriages need wheels too. Did you know that nearly 80% of our viewers aren't subscribed? Why don't you subscribe now so you don't miss any of our videos in future? Now that we have our train sketched out, it's time to pick up our pen and finish it off. We're going to go back to where we started and add a long rectangle roof for our train driver. Then outline his carriage and add a square or rectangle window. Carry on your outline to the second rectangle you made, curving the very front line. To add some detail to the front of your train, add in a few more curved lines. Trace over the chimney, adding a small oval to the top. Then outside of the oval, draw 2 lines made up of semicircles, attaching them together at the top. It might look a bit like a thought bubble. Now the train has steam coming out of it. Now you can start to go over the bottom of the train with your pen, adding smaller circles inside of your wheels. Trace over your carriages, adding long rectangle roofs to them, just like you did with the train driver's carriage. To finish off your train, go over the lines at the bottom of your carriages, leaving space for the wheels. Once you've done this, add in the wheels. Remember to put smaller circles inside them, just like the ones you drew earlier. And there you have it, your finished train. Now you can decide what it is your train is carrying and add some detail to the carriages. This one is carrying coal. And that's how you draw a Twinkl train. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any more videos from Twinkl Kids TV.